And that's exactly the case with this brand new 2026 Winnebago Thrive 24 RKS. This thing is compact and efficient and yet somehow feels like a full-sized Class A luxury coach. Seriously, when I stepped inside, my first reaction was just pure disbelief. So today, we're taking you on a full walkthrough of this incredible new Thrive 24 RKS. We'll check out its clever layout, modern tech, comfort features, and yes, that signature rear kitchen that's got everyone talking. Let's jump in, and by the end, you'll probably be asking the same question I did. How did Winnebago pull this off? Alright, starting on the outside, and right away, you can see how clean and modern this new Thrive looks. The 24 RKS rides on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, powered by the 2.0L turbo diesel engine, paired with a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission. So you're not just getting comfort, you're getting the kind of reliability and driving confidence Mercedes is known for. And check this out, even though it's only about 24 feet long, the design feels bold and upscale. You've got full-body paint options, sleek LED lighting, and a power awning with integrated lighting perfect for evening setups at your campsite. Winnebago also added frameless dual-pane windows, which not only look great but also help with insulation and sound reduction. Around back, you'll find rear cargo storage, a ladder, and hookups neatly organized. It's compact, but everything's thought through, and that's what makes this model shine. Stepping inside, this is where things get crazy impressive. Remember, this is a 24-foot RV, but when you step in, it feels open, bright, and super inviting. The Thrive 24 RKS has this smart rear kitchen layout, which pushes the living area forward, giving you a more apartment-style feel. On the driver's side, you've got a large slide-out that expands your lounge space with a convertible dinette or optional theater seating depending on which package you choose. And look at the lighting. Soft LED accents, plenty of natural light from the large windows, and that clean, modern Winnebago interior design, it just feels premium. Winnebago also went with lighter cabinetry tones this year, kind of a Scandinavian-inspired finish, which really makes the space feel bigger. And yes, those front swivel cab seats turn around to become part of your living space, making it perfect for hanging out or hosting friends. Now, let's talk about what everyone's been buzzing about, that rear kitchen. This might be one of the smartest small RV kitchens I've seen in years. It stretches across the entire back wall, giving you massive countertop space you just don't see in this class. You've got a stainless steel sink, a 2-burner induction cooktop, and a convection microwave. Storage? Tons of it. Drawers, overhead cabinets, hidden pantry space, they've really maximized every inch. And the best part? The big window is right behind the sink. Imagine cooking breakfast with that view of the mountains or the ocean right outside, it's awesome. You've also got a 12V compressor fridge, efficient and roomy enough for long weekends off-grid. Okay, moving back up to the lounge, this is where the Thrive really starts feeling like a luxury coach. Even though it's compact, you've got a smart entertainment setup, a 32-inch smart TV, Bluetooth sound system, and USB-C charging everywhere. There's also Wi-Fi and satellite prep, and the new 2026 model includes optional Starlink ready connectivity, so you can actually stay online pretty much anywhere. For comfort, Winnebago fitted dual 13,500 BTU AC units and a Truma Combi Eco Plus heating system, which handles both air and water heating quietly and efficiently. So whether you're winter camping in the Rockies or chasing sunshine down in Arizona, you're set. Now let's check out the sleeping area. Winnebago designed the Thrive with flexibility in mind. You can get it with a rear fold-down Murphy bed setup that converts your lounge into a bedroom at night, or choose the dedicated fixed bed layout if you prefer simplicity. Both setups use the Winnebago WinSleep system, so the mattress is actually made for RV comfort, not those stiff foam pads you find in older models. There's overhead storage, reading lights, and my favorite, mood lighting strips around the ceiling that make the whole space feel cozy at night. And if you've got guests, the dinette also converts into a small secondary sleeping area, perfect for kids or a friend tagging along. Now, you wouldn't expect a large bathroom in a 24-foot RV, but again, Winnebago surprised me. You've got a split bathroom design, shower on one side, toilet and vanity on the other, which makes it feel way more spacious. The shower has a skylight, real glass doors, and a solid water pressure system from the upgraded Truma AquaGo Comfort Plus. There's even a backlit mirror and towel storage, small touches, but they make a huge difference in day-to-day living. Now for the tech lovers, Winnebago didn't hold back here. You get the new Power Smart control panel, which lets you monitor tanks, lights, climate, and battery levels all from one touchscreen or from your phone using the Winnebago app. The Thrive comes solar ready with 200 watts of rooftop solar standard, expandable up to 600 watts, plus dual lithium batteries and a 2000W inverter. That means you can go off-grid comfortably without worrying about losing power. You can even add the optional Onan 3.6 kilowatts LP generator for extended boondocking. So, where does the Thrive 24 RKS sit compared to its rivals? If you're looking at the THATRVGIRL, Coachman Prism, or Tiffin Wayfarer, this Winnebago feels like the most balanced of the bunch. It's not the flashiest, but it nails the small details that make living in it easier. The rear kitchen alone sets it apart because most competitors push the kitchen midship, eating up living space. Here, Winnebago flipped that formula, and it works brilliantly. And while others might use heavier materials, the Thrive stays light and nimble, with a GVWR around 11,030 pounds, keeping it easy to drive and park anywhere. Now let's talk numbers, because I know you're curious. The 2026 Winnebago Thrive 24 RKS starts around $179,000, and with the premium package, solar, lithium, full-body paint, you're looking at roughly $195,000 to $205,000 MSRP. That's right in the zone for luxury Class C rigs on a Mercedes chassis, but with this layout and build quality, it honestly feels like you're getting more than what you're paying for. So, after spending a day exploring the Thrive 24 RKS, it's clear Winnebago didn't just update a model, they reimagined what's possible in a compact RV. You've got a gorgeous design, top-tier tech, real comfort, and that clever layout that makes everyday living easy, all packed into just 24 feet. And that's why, every time someone steps inside, they can't help but ask, how did they pull this off? If you enjoyed this inside look, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, backhand index pointing right, would you take the Thrive 24 RKS on your next road trip, or are you holding out for something bigger? I love hearing what you guys think, and we've got more amazing 2026 models coming up next week, so don't miss it. Until then, travel safe, enjoy the road, and I'll see you in the next one.